You are watching an agent prepare to edit a production configuration file. The team has a policy that says risky changes need review. The policy is written in a document. The agent does not read the document at the moment of action. Nothing stops the edit. That is the moment when you learn the difference between a guideline and a runtime control. This is Lesson 8 in the Claude Code Production Agent course. Hooks, the only supervisor you have. Subscribe for the full Claude Code Production Agent course. In Lesson 7, we learned that delegation needs contracts. Sub-agents can help, but the parent still owns judgment and verification. Hooks add another layer, supervision at the moment work is about to happen, or just after it happens. A hook is executable supervision. It can run before a tool is used, after a tool is used, or around a category of actions. The important idea is not the syntax. The important idea is placement. A hook sits where risk appears. The visible artifact for this lesson is the hook placement map. Put hooks before risky tools, before writes, before deployment actions, and before anything touching secrets or identity. Put hooks after external calls, after tests, after generated changes, and after actions where you need evidence recorded. The hook is a checkpoint in the loop. A pre-tool use hook can ask, should this action be allowed? Does the path match an approved area? Does this command need human approval? Is the request trying to cross a boundary? A post-tool use hook can ask, what happened? Did the command fail? Did the output include evidence? Should the run continue? For Four Eyes approval, the flow is simple. Detect the risky action, pause the run, explain what is being requested, ask for approval, record the decision. If that process only happens in a human memory or a team habit, it will be skipped under pressure. A hook makes the checkpoint executable. Debugging hooks is part of production work. Log which matcher fired. Log the key fields from the payload. Test the allowed path and the denied path. Keep rules small enough to understand. A hook that nobody can debug becomes another source of hidden failure. The common mistake is treating hooks as glue code. Teams use them to patch workflow gaps, then let them grow broad, silent, and unowned. A good hook is narrow, named, tested, and tied to a production risk. Let us recap Lesson 8, Hooks supervise action. Pre-tool use hooks protect the moment before execution. Post-tool use hooks inspect the result. Matches decide where the rule applies. Approval hooks turn policy into a real checkpoint. The lesson learned is this: policy that does not execute is decoration. If the agent can reach a risky action, your control has to live in the runtime path, not only in a document. Subscribe for the full Claude Code Production Agent course. The Claude Code book is linked as a companion resource in the description. In Lesson 9, we turn repeated judgment into reusable skills and /commands.